Wissembourg France is a beautiful little town in Alsace. It is located on the border between France and Germany and to the north of Strasbourg. The town reveals a typical and authentic Alsace with must-see heritage sites. The place boasts over 400 buildings erected since the 11th century, demonstrating its historical and architectural richness. Wissembourg is a very popular destination, especially with Germans who travel across the border to visit this beautifully maintained and restored medieval town, but much less so by others who generally concentrate their visit of Alsace on the regions of Strasbourg and Colmar. Wissembourg is a small town that I also fell in love with when I first saw it through the internet, and also upon hearing it from a group of friends who already experienced the charm of the town. So I found myself again on a solo trip to Wissembourg, and my impression was confirmed. It's beautiful. The place can be easily discovered on foot. You can stroll through the city center with ease while enjoying the charming environment. The place is much less touristy than other towns like Colmar and Strasbourg, so there is a peaceful atmosphere that is pleasant. It remains lively, but you can walk around quietly without fear of the crowd. In the center of the town, you will also encounter the unique town hall, which was built in the 1740s. It is built in pink sandstone. The new city hall was designed by the architect Joseph Massol in order to replace the medieval town hall that had been burned down on 1677 by French troops. The original hands of the clock face now belongs to the collection of the Municipal Museum. An interesting site in Wissembourg is the Abbey Church of Saints Peter and Paul. It is the second largest Gothic building in Alsace after Strasbourg Cathedral. It is one of the best examples of Gothic churches in Alsace. The church has two towers, one of them a Roman-style tower with a roof of attractive colored tiles which gleam in the sunlight. It is known for its impressive 11-meter-high fresco of Saint Christopher, which is the largest painted human figure in France, as well as its ancient stained glass windows, the oldest known intact figurative stained glass window in the world, and its 11th century Romanesque chapel. The natural environment of this small town is very appealing, with the flowery banks of the River Lauter offering a lovely walk. You can also walk around the fortifications to admire the gardens and flower-adorned houses. Many of the beautiful half-timbered houses of Wissembourg date from the 15th and 16th centuries. There are many other imposing and lovely houses in the town that you will discover as you explore. There are also plenty of restaurants and charming coffee shops to stop by. On its own, it is just as charming as the other famous villages such as Strasbourg and Colmar. Wissembourg itself is extremely historical and picturesque. Since 2009, Wissembourg has also been a member of the network of 100 most beautiful detours in France, a label awarded to small French towns for their beauty and charm. Wissembourg has managed to preserve a remarkable architectural heritage over the centuries, witness to a rich past and perfectly highlighted today. Hopefully, you have everything that you need to know about Wissembourg, France. As such, I recommend just wandering all day and to see what you can discover. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, choose